Our team is the clear-cut leader in Atlantic Canada for sales, service, and installation of doors and frames, hardware, electronic access control, overhead doors, and loading dock equipment. Aptly named the Door Opening Solutions Group, we offer proficiency, expertise, and service for 10 major construction categories, all in one stop. We carry products from ASSA ABLOY, Allegion, Right Height, and Richards Wilcox, to name a few. Along with the best hollow metal steel doors, manufactured right here at Apex. With locations in Moncton, Dartmouth, Fredericton, and St. John's, our team is ready to work on your project, regardless of how big the challenge. Our work can be found all over Atlantic Canada, and we are not satisfied until the project is complete to specification. Our team of passionate professionals work to give you the edge, making Apex Door Opening Solutions Group the clear choice for your commercial supply and install partner.